Hello everyone, this is Ben and today we're going to do some dry fire with the Shooter's Global Timer and the Drills app. Before we proceed, I want you guys to know that I'm not a pro shooter by any means. I'm just a beginner. The purpose of this video is to show how our tools can help you to improve your skills, and hopefully I will learn a thing or two along the way. We're going to do two simple drills, and as you know there are two modes that you can dry fire. There's Classic and Smart. So for the first one I will need just Classic mode. Over here I have set up my presets for training, so we're going to do just two of them today, but if you want you can also select and create your own ones. But for this first exercise I'm going to use this one, grip and push forward. I have 1.3 seconds to do the exercise. A random delay, it pause between reps is 7 seconds. So I'm going to select 10 reps, and as I click start, the timer will just start to give me signals without recording the trigger. Let's put the timer over here and start on the phone. Now for the next part we're going to use draw and pull. So over here we have 2 seconds to complete, let's make it a random delay, and 6 seconds pause between reps. I'm also going to select 10 reps, switch the mode to Smart, and for now we're going to not record the video. I will just click start. When you're doing Smart dry fire, it's better to have the timer positioned right in front of you, facing front to the direction of the gun. Or you can put it on the table. If you have a very light trigger, you can put it on the table, it will pick it up, no problem. I will put it on the belt and starting on the phone as well. Required time was 2 seconds. Green means that I was in time, and red, this is where I had some problems with the holster, so it shows me that I was out of time. I can review all my today's drills over here in the activity tab. Let's use video recording. Now since my phone is way over there, I will start the session right on the timer. I'll just put it over here and click start. So now if we go to activity, we can see our latest session, but now including the video. So in the video it will actually tell you how much late or soon you were. You can find this video either in activity or in your default Photos app.